They might look like tiny red onions, but these little gems pack a much more complex, sweet, and aristocratic flavor profile. Today, we are deep diving into the world of shallots, based on FDA data. Hello, I'm Data Chef Tigo. Based on FDA data, I'm here to show you scientifically proven ways to protect and maintain your health. Don't let their size fool you. Clinical data shows shallots contain significantly higher levels of antioxidants than regular onions. They are rich in Apigenin and Quercetin, which effectively fight inflammation and boost your immune system. However, shallots are incredibly high in fructans, a type of soluble fiber. For those with sensitive stomachs or IBS, eating too many shallots can trigger severe bloating, gas, and digestive discomfort. The ultimate way to enjoy them? Make crispy fried shallots. Thinly slice and flash fry them until golden brown. It concentrates their sweetness and adds an amazing crunch. It pairs beautifully with just about anything.
Data Chef Tigo highly recommends this.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications. See you next time with more healthy data. Stay healthy.